Now, your Super Doppler 10 forecast from meteorologist Jeremy Wheeler.
All right, I've got it up to an 80% chance for accumulating snow on Hampton roads on the snow tracker. I'm not going higher than that just yet because there's some indications that there'll be a bit of a gap in some of the snow coming down. I still think we're going to get some, but that's why I'm not going 100% or 90% just yet. Timing, 7 a.m. give or take on Wednesday morning through 4 p.m. in the afternoon. The impacts, the commute, the morning commute could be impacted, the evening commute could be impacted. Depends on how soon it comes in, how much falls and sticks, and then school, Wednesday, Thursday, what's going to be happening. It's a big question mark. We're going to give you all the information we have, but it's going to be a tough decision for the school administrators out there. So let's have a look. Right now, this is what's happening. We have high pressure around, we have some fog, but that's it. No precipitation here just yet. There is some off to our north, off to our west, especially along this cold front. That's where the snow is heaviest, and that front is going to make it towards us, but luckily this area low pressure is not, so that is going to give us lower amounts of snow compared to our neighbors to the north and the west. Now let's have a look. Super Doppler 10. Right now, no snow. Let's go through time with Future Track, find out when it's going to move in. Now today we've got the fog, we have some clouds around this morning, then we're going to have partly cloudy skies for the afternoon. There might be a couple of showers near the shore, just offshore, but I don't think that's going to impact too many people. Maybe the Outer Banks for a brief moment. Now after that we see quiet weather for the afternoon and the evening. Let's go into the overnight. Well, some snow around Richmond around 2 a.m., but nothing here. We're quiet here at the overnight hours. Now tomorrow morning it moves in. Our model brings it in around 7 a.m. to parts of the viewing area, and this could speed up, slow down a little bit. So I say between 6 and 8 a.m. is the startup time for that snow. May take a little bit longer in Virginia Beach, but it'll get there. And then we have the snow coming in. Here's 1 o'clock. This is one of those gaps that I mentioned, and there might be a little bit more of these as we go through time. But bottom line is we are going to see some snow showers out there, at least all the way up till about 4 o'clock. And then I think it's going to be a sharp cutoff. It should move out quick, and then we'll dry things out through the evening. So the evening commute, I believe, this is going to move out, and then we'll be dry for Wednesday night. Here's some of the computer models estimates for snow. This one calling for about 1 to 2 inches, a little bit less along the coast. I think that's a little on the low side. And then this is the European model, also a little less along the coast, about 1 to 2 inches for most, and that's kind of an average. We saw earlier, though, the GFS model had more. So factoring in all these models, I'm calling for about 1 to 2 inches in the light blue, and that covers most of the viewing area. Less than an inch up around Accomack County and down towards the Outer Banks, mainland Dare County, but 2 to 3 inches in this zone. This is for Franklin, Ahoskie, Wakefield, Surrey, and maybe the western edge of James City County. I think Williamsburg, you're more in the 1 to 2. 2 to 4 inches over towards I-95, but 1 to 2 inches for all our major cities. That goes for Hampton, Newport News, Portsmouth, Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Norfolk, and Suffolk. 1 to 2 inches at this time, but stay tuned for updates. In case the front comes a little faster, maybe we'll get a little bit more snow or a little less snow. We'll have updates, Wavy News 10 at midday and 4 p.m. Right now, what we're dealing with is the fog. This is the view from Tower Cam 10. It's fogged in, and the temperatures are around the freezing mark. That means that you can have some of that fog freezing on the ground, maybe some patchy black ice. So lots of things going on in the weather department. Just note that at least this afternoon we got some nice quiet weather. Later today, decreasing clouds, temperatures in the 40s. Not bad. We got a wind out of the north, 5 to 10 miles an hour. We'll warm things up today a little bit. And then tonight, temperatures will be down in the low 30s. We'll stay in the low 30s tomorrow when the snow showers come in. But afterwards, we're going to warm it up. Highs in the 40s Thursday afternoon, highs in the 50s Friday, Saturday, 60s by Sunday. So there you go.